Hello? 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 Good morning. How are you? I can't hear you. You are fine. What is your name?
James.
Eh?
James.
James. From where?
Mortuary park.
Eh?
Mortuary park.
Then why are you sleeping here?
I'm tired.
You are tired. Where do you stay?
Yeah.
I mean, where you live?
Okay, yeah, what road?
In this park? Sleeping. I hope you are eating this morning. Have you eaten? Eh?
No.
You have not eaten. Take. You're welcome.
God bless you.
God bless you too. Go and eat, okay? So I can get strength. I can see you are weak. At night, where do you sleep at night?
I sleep outside.
You sleep outside? Which work do you do?
Sometimes I load.
Eh?
Sometimes I load with wheelbarrow. Like you want to travel, I say you bad. I help you.
Can you be audible?
Sometimes when I see you bad, you want to travel, I will
Eh?
help you.
Okay, you to load passengers. Sorry, yeah? Use the money to eat. How do I get your number in case I want to meet you again? Do you have a phone? You don't have a phone. I have to follow me. You have to show me that you're close. Okay? You told me that day that you sleep inside this garage. Eh? Okay.
I want to sleep, I will just come.
If you want to sleep, you come and
I'll come
pick
and
your clothes.
yes.
What is inside your clothes?
Yes.
Let me see. Huh. These are your belongings. And you sleep inside that garage.
Yes.
Okay, you sleep here. The other day I came here, I saw you sleeping there. I rented a place for you. I go to a place where you will be staying. I know I told you that I will get a place for you. You said that you would like it. So I have gotten a place where you will be staying. I rented a house for you. Okay? So what we are going to do now, you have to follow me. Let me show you the place. So it now depends on you whenever you want to come here. You work here, right? Tell me that you work here. Okay. I have gotten a place where you will be sleeping. You will sleep under this bridge again. And you will sleep inside this garage again. Okay? To follow me, let me show you the place. How many is here?
This one is my friend's room.
Eh?
This one is mine.
Okay, only this one is yours.
Yes.
Oh. Only this one. Good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine. He's going with us.
Huh?
He's going with us. He will come back.
All right.
He will come back. Take you, okay? He'll come back. Right, this place. But we have to paint it again because somebody just packed out. See this thing. See the bed. See the bed I bought for you. Okay? See your bed here. This one to make sure that this one is your bed sheet. Your bed sheet here. And again, not because you are a man. I just decided to buy this thing for you. See this thing here. See your curtain. In case you want to go. But the pole, I will still get pole. The pole is not here yet. This one is curtain. Come on, I don't know. I want to pack it. Come on, help me put this. Let's put it there. This one is your, you know this one now, obviously. This one is for sweeping because this place you can still sweep it again. You still sweep it again. This one is your bed.
for you now. Later on, better. Don't worry, everything will be fine. I will. See buckets. You will use it to fetch water in case. Just drop it anywhere you like it. Toilet. I have to show you. Come and see. Come and see your toilet. That is it. It's okay, ba? Take. Use this money for your feeding, or if for your transport back to the if you want to go to work. Until I get a phone for you, that I can be calling you. You will wash your clothes now. The clothes is dirty.
That's why I answered that. No problem, I will do it.
Okay.